Hey there, savers and earners. Welcome back to the channel where we turn your spare time into real cash and rewards. Before I dive into today's treasure trove of tips, do me a quick favor. It only takes a second, but it helps this community grow and keeps the content coming. Hit that subscribe button and flick the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest ways to make money online. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. And drop a comment down below letting me know where you're tuning in from. I love seeing how far our community reaches across the globe. I'd love to tailor my content just for your region. Whether you're in North America, Asia, Europe, or anywhere else, your feedback helps me bring you the best earning opportunities. Alright, let's jump right into it. Today I'm revealing a site that's been a game changer for online earners everywhere. Let me introduce you to one of the top-notch GPT sites out there, Rewards One. If you haven't heard of it yet, you're in for a treat. Whether you're from the bustling streets of New York or a quiet village in the Philippines, Rewards One welcomes you with open arms. It's available worldwide, so almost anyone can join in and start earning. Just be sure you're at least 13 years old to sign up. It's super easy to get started. Just a few clicks and you're ready to go. So, what makes Rewards One a cornerstone for online earners like us? Flexibility and immediacy. You can work at your own pace, whenever and wherever you want. Yes, you heard that right. No strict schedules, no complicated requirements, just simple tasks and fast rewards. Rewards One has a very flexible reward system and it pays out fast. You don't have to wait weeks to see your earnings. Cash out as soon as you hit the minimum threshold. Let's talk about how you can fill your pockets here. First up, paid surveys. These are one of the easiest and most popular ways to earn on Rewards One. This is where the magic happens with the most opportunities. There are surveys on all sorts of topics, so you can pick the ones that interest you most. Rewards One connects you with legit survey routers used by many other GPT sites. That means you get access to a huge pool of surveys, increasing your chances to earn every day. So you know you're in good company. Thousands of users are earning alongside you, sharing tips and experiences in the community. Next, we have paid offer walls. These are packed with different ways to earn, from trying out new services to exploring apps and websites. You get to sign up for free trials, download games, or even sign up for contests. Some offers are quick and easy, while others might take a bit more time but pay more. It's a pretty fun way to earn while trying out new things. You might even discover a new favorite app or service along the way. And if you're like me and love a good binge watch, Rewards One lets you earn by watching videos. Just sit back, relax, and let the points roll in. There's a variety of topics, so there's something for everyone. From tech reviews to cooking tips, you'll never get bored. Got a few seconds each day? Even if you're super busy, you can still earn a little extra on the side. Check out the daily polls. These are quick, one-question surveys that take less than a minute to complete. Answer a quick question and you're a step closer to your reward. It's a simple habit that can add up over time. Now, for those who need a little extra motivation, there's the Daily Quest. This feature challenges you to reach a certain earning goal each day. Hit a certain earning threshold in one day and bam, extra rewards await. It's a great way to push yourself and maximize your daily earnings. And if gaming is your jam, Rewards One has got you covered with games that can boost your earnings. Play, have fun, and watch your points grow. Don't forget the power of community. The Rewards One forum is full of real people sharing their tips, tricks, and success stories. Invite your friends to join Rewards One and watch your earnings grow. The referral program is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Just share your link and earn a percentage of what your friends make. Wondering how you'll get paid? It offers a variety of payout options to suit your needs. You've got options: PayPal, Amazon gift cards, game codes, and more. Choose what works best for you and cash out whenever you're ready. So, what do you think? Is Rewards One the right fit for your earning goals? Take a look at the reviews and see what others are saying. Tried it before or thinking of giving it a shot? I'd love to hear about your experiences or any questions you might have. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback helps others in the community make informed decisions. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to start earning with Rewards One. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to catch my future videos. Your support means the world to me. Catch you next time and happy earning. Remember, every little bit adds up, so start today and watch your rewards grow.